Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you pair the left and right earbuds to two devices simultaneously? And no, you cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. But these earbuds support dual connection, so you can connect both devices to your earbuds simultaneously. And also you can listen to music with one earphone. You just put one earbud to the charging case or remove it from the charging case, only one, and use the second one. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and right here, as you can see, I still have connection. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.